Alright guys, so last night we just found a spot literally in the forest. These spots are available for you to pull off, rest, and take back off. So we pulled off here last night, and we're about to go to our next fall, Looking Glass Falls. So I'm super excited about it. Kids are all buckled up, Marley's good, and now it's about an hour and a half away, so I'm excited. We gotta go up this hill, and woo, the roads are very, very like this. So stay tuned. We're in our ponchos. Harmony's in her poncho too. Ooh. Get up, Ron. We're in our ponchos. We're about to go check out Looking Glass Falls.
And we got another shoe.
Yeah. Say bye, guys. Say see you later.
See you later.
Say see you at the falls.
See you at the falls.
Oh, you gave him a kiss. Toodaloos, guys. Oh, that was so sweet. We might not need these ponchos, but we got them just in case. Okay, you go put your hood up. Okay, Harmony, slide over. Hold on to Marley right quick. Orion, come here. Look how you look. Eat deep on him. Beautiful. Hold on, Orion. Beautiful. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Huh? Big waterfall. Be careful, Marley. Harmony, you okay? Good job, guys. Wow, look at this. Come on, Marley. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. We made it, everybody. We made it to Looking Glass Falls. Oh my God. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful out here. Just to prove that something's always breaking, my fender for my tire is bent. I'm gonna have to take it off. Crazy, crazy. But this is what happens when you have big tires. Golly. Hi, Bloomies. So, yes, you saw the mud flap. I know. Something is always going down when I tell you. So, thankfully, the mud flap, you know, was easily removed and we were able to get back on the road. We're currently back at my mom's. But I just wanted to reiterate what I was telling you guys some videos ago about, like, always keeping an emergency fund, because you never know what will happen. You never know what will happen. Thankfully, this didn't require any money. It just required me to take the mud flap off. And ultimately how it happened, I would always hear, anytime I was making like a sharp turn, I would always hear the tires rubbing that mud flap. And over time, it just been rolling over the tire. So eventually it just rolled over the tire, and that's how it bent. And it bent onto the tire. Thankfully, my tire is okay. The mud flap, it did take a lot of work, but I was able to get all of the bolts that was holding it down. I was able to get them out, removed, and I was able to remove the mud flap. But y'all, oh my gosh, something like when your home is on wheels and it's always like moving, something is bound to happen. So just like I was telling you guys to always keep yourself a backup fund, that's real, y'all. Like, cause something is bound to happen. But we're fine. We were able to get back on the road and keep it moving. We're gonna be at my mom's for a little bit because I have a few events down here. I'm gonna be selling my cutting boards and selling some of my jewelry and my plants. And plus we're trying to save money on gas so we can make it out west come basically like the end of summer. So super excited about that. But yeah, trying to save money on gas, guys. So the videos that will be coming out from here on out will more so probably be old material that I need to like push out so I can free up some space on my phone. But don't worry, it's gonna be good. And I hope you enjoy it, guys. If you love this content, please comment down below what you like about it, and also consider subscribing to the family. We are the Bloomies over here. But yes, guys, thank you all for watching our videos, and until next time.